Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Balgonie, Saskatchewan. This small, friendly town is found just 20 kilometers east of Regina, along the busy Trans-Canada Highway. Balgonie is part of a region known for rich prairie soil, clear skies, and long, warm summer days. The town's history goes back to the late 1800s when settlers arrived in the area as the railway made its way west. Balgonie was named after a place in Scotland and quickly grew into a farming community. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway brought more people, and soon there were homes, schools, shops, and grain elevators. Even today, farming remains an important part of life here, with grain fields and pastures surrounding the town. Balgonie is a quiet and welcoming place where people enjoy a slower pace of life. It has parks, schools, and a strong community spirit. The open prairie landscape around Balgonie offers peaceful views and beautiful sunsets, making it a great place to enjoy the simple beauty of Saskatchewan. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Balgonie, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.